18th of July 2022. Jubba Airways Fokker F-50 plane crash. Mogadishu, Somalia. The Fokker 50 operated by Jubba Airways took off from Baidoa, Somalia, for a passenger flight to Mogadishu, Somalia. A total of 36 passengers and crew members were on board. The plane flipped over on landing at Mogadishu's airport. The passengers and the crew were all rescued. The aircraft has been destroyed. During landing, the left-hand wing broke at the wing root and was left behind. The turboprop plane rolled inverted and came to rest next to the runway. The wing left behind burst into flames and was extinguished by firefighters.